If you find yourself turning on your headlight like this every morning, it's time to change your headlight socket. First, unscrew and remove your amber daylight. Then, remove the 10mm bolts that connect the headlight to the body. Then go underneath the headlight and unscrew the final screw. And lift the headlight and set it off to the side. Pick a wire to start with and cut it free from the old connector. Strip off the old insulation to expose the bare copper wire. I find it's easiest to use a knife. Then twist the wire to the correct wire on your new socket. Once they have a solid twist, place the soldering iron under the wires and heat to the point where solder flows into the wire. Make sure you have a good connection to avoid a cold solder. Once you have soldered the wires, tape them together. I'm using a heat-resistive tape for this, and you should too. Once you have completed your first wire, just go through the rest of the wires and repeating the same steps. Make sure not to have cold solders so all of your connections are good. It might be a little confusing in the video to see which wire connects to which other wire, but when you have the new socket in your hand, it's very self-explanatory, and I don't think any of you guys will have any trouble understanding it. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around and thanks for subscribing and liking my videos. I'm going to keep on pumping them out as quickly as I can.